the lamps. The color lamps
Lamps?
behind you. Yeah.
Where? Where?
Yeah. Behind you
Here?
look like a girl. Yes. Behind you. Yeah. It's look like the girl. Huh?
Yeah. I don't know why they're still not, removing the Christmas lights. Maybe
Yes,
because they're waiting
exactly.
for
You say right.
February
You
14.
say right. Yeah. It's the look like a Christmas lights. Yeah. It's like a Christmas tree, right?
Yes.
Are you land there on streets? Sit on land there. Oh, where's the adults? You should be careful because it's at evenings. It's night, okay?
Yes.
Oh, who is he? Side by you, Jamens?
Oh, this is my neighbor.
Your
Neighbor.
boyfriend?
Yeah.
Your boyfriend?
No.
Okay.
He's my neighbor. Cause I have an apartment here in Manila. Hey, I have a
Oh,
question for you.
what is that? Your questions, please. What?
What is the meaning of Shantik? Cause there's a song
Mga na pa nag-load?
because there's song inside my head like na 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 Shantik na 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 na
Oh,
Shantik.
yeah. I get it. It's mean that's na. You are beautiful. You are beautiful.
Ano?
Okay.
Ano?
Ah,
I heard it. I
Chantik.
heard.
Chantik, it
Yeah.
means beautiful. Indonesian language. Cantik, it means beautiful. Cantik.
Ah,
Yeah.
Ay,
I
babaw.
I pronounce it like Shantik.
Yes, Chantik.
Santik?
Beautiful. Chantik,
Chantik.
Chantik, beautiful, it means.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
In front here,
What?
if you see it in front, there's like a party
Yeah, it's look
there.
like a
Diri
supermarket.
ba? Diri ba?
It's
Wala
look
man.
No,
like a
it's
supermarket.